All right, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you, and then before I share you the topic, which you already read the YouTube title, this all came about literally an hour ago. I was doing a team training on the power of your YouTube channel. Now, I am not going to reinvent the wheel. You have people like Karen Carr in Georgia, Levi Lasik in Texas. These guys are crushing it. You've got Jeremy Knight in Austin. You've got Ken Pozak in Orlando. These are like the demigods, if you will, of YouTube channel and the power and importance of having that channel for your geofarm market. Just a couple ideas of what's going on with mine. I started my YouTube channel about 5 months ago. It took me 4 months to close my first deal. I did a $1.1 million in sales in 1 week off of YouTube. I just listed 3 homes. 2 were from YouTube. 1 was from direct mail. I have a buyer that went under contract today off of a video I shot 3 days ago on a brand new community opening up here locally. And I was on a 3-way Zoom with the builder, my client, and myself. And they went ahead and went to contract today. It'll close in 6 months, but that's 6 months commission waiting on me from YouTube. I have another buyer that got a hold of me off that same video. They, after looking at the neighborhood, are going to veer and they want something else. They're coming from California. By the way, my client that closed today, they're in Texas. They're moving to Florida. Y'all see where I'm going with this? The client that I talked to today from California, they're going to be using me as their agent, came from YouTube. So the 2 different methods or strategies that I'm using, and I'm training and teaching my team, is direct mail at a high level. If you follow me, you know I believe in it. And it is converting. And then YouTube, a geo farm channel. So if you live in Orlando, Florida, living in Orlando, moving to Orlando, Florida's premier channel for people that love this state, right? Whatever, that's the title, right? Come up with a good title. Don't make it Jim Smith, Realtor in Florida. That dog ain't going to hunt, right? Get real specific on your titles. Now, I'm not going to do a video training today on how to set it up. I've got one of those videos. You can check out Karen Carr, Levi Lasik, and check out what they do. But I want to talk to you today about the power of not having to create content. Because one of the biggest things that I see agents do all the time is they have issues with creation of content. Like, oh, what am I going to shoot? What am I going to do? Guys, what if I told you you don't have to worry about that anymore? Because there is enough content on YouTube right now in other markets that are not yours that you can borrow that content, repurpose it for your geo farm. For instance, if somebody's going to do a video on the 4 best subdivisions in Plano, Texas, or the top 4 subdivisions in Plano, Texas, if you're planning on moving if you're planning on moving here, whatever, grab their title, grab their description, grab their tags, repurpose those for your channel, and then shoot your 5 to 8 minute video on that topic. Watch their video, write some points down, and then go recreate the video. Guys, you could be putting out, and I'm going to recommend right now, 1 or 2 videos a week. You can use your iPhone, right? I shoot a lot of videos with my iPhone. I'm right now in front of my computer, so you can use your computer. Guys, I use Canva. Go get you a $9 a month Canva Pro and start editing your videos in Canva. They have transitions. They've got video. They've got everything you need to really edit a video at a beginner level. So there's no excuse. If you are looking for a 24/7 cash machine, your YouTube channel needs to be there. Now, I'm going to show you something that I didn't know I could do. As a marketing expert, I was blown away. I was literally training the team, and one of them asked me a question about YouTube tags, and it led me on this rabbit trail to the left. But when we got to the end of it, everybody was like, holy crap, we didn't know you could do that. So what are the things you're going to need to create what I'm about to share with you? You need access to YouTube. Duh, who doesn't have that? You need ChatGPT, and I use a software called TubeBuddy. It's like $20 a month. Well worth it. And so what I'm going to share with you now is how to grab the information you need from somebody else's video and repurpose it for your video. So let's go ahead and take a look. And for this one, guys, I'm going to be borrowing brother, the godfather of YouTube videos, Levi Lasik. I'm going to borrow one of his videos to show you how to repurpose it for your geographical farm. So let's go ahead and get there. So right here is a video. And check out the subscribers, 24,000 subscribers. Well done, Levi and Travis. Guys are just absolutely amazing me. I bought your book on Kindle. I've got it on YouTube. I'm sorry, I've got it on audiobook. Guys, go check out Levi Lasic's new book, Passive Prospecting. I believe that's what it's called. I just got it on audiobooks. Check it out. It's worth it. Go get it. But guys, you're crushing it down there. So forgive me if I use your channel to show agents how to do this, but this is killer, right? So here is a video that he's already got 1,000 views 2 weeks ago. And it's just simply Dallas, Texas, modern condo, living in Dallas, Texas real estate. Do you see what he did right there? And by the way, these are called pipes. So he's got a little emoji, Dallas, Texas, modern condo, emoji, space, pipe, space, living in Dallas, Texas. What are we doing? Dallas, Texas, condo, Dallas, Texas real estate. Guys, that is freaking genius. And by the way, TubeBuddy gives him a score of 100 on this video. That's as good as it gets, right? So here is TubeBuddy, guys, and it gives me all of the tags. It literally goes in and does a sniper, and now I've got all of the tags that he's using inside of this video, right? So all I'm going to do on YouTube, first I'm going to start off with title. Let's grab his title. Hold on a second. Let me go over here. Let's start with tags. That's what I'm going to start with. I'm going to copy his tags, copy to clipboard. Now I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, and I've already started the prompt. I said, please change these YouTube tags to reflect, and I just picked Winter Haven, Florida, instead of Dallas and Florida. Okay, so again, please change these YouTube tags to reflect Winter Haven instead of Dallas and Florida instead of Texas, right? I wanted this title to be, I wanted these tags. I didn't want to have to go in and grab his tags, put it on a Word doc, and go copy paste and get rid of all of his Dallas and his, I don't want to do that. I just want to do it very quickly. So watch this. I pasted it and watch what happens. Hold on. Did y'all see that? I got the tags. The successful tags that he's using, I've repurposed them for this particular city. So look, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Dallas, Texas, living in, look at this, Winter Haven, Florida, live it instantly, right? So now I'm going to go grab his title. So now I've got the tags. So once I recreate this video, I'm just simply going to drop those new tags for this geolocation, and I'm good to go. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab his title, right? Copy. I'm going to go back to chat. I'm going to now say, don't ask me why I do this. I just find that if I compliment the AI, they work well with me. So that was awesome. Now change this YouTube title to reflect Winter Haven, Florida instead of Dallas, Texas. I love how chat keeps me honest. And guys, I'm doing this live, or I'm as live as I can get. So even with mistakes, booyah. There was his, this is for Winter Haven, Florida, right? There it is, guys. It's right there, but we're not done. Now I'm going to go back to his description. Again, why reinvent the wheel, right? So let's grab this and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back over here to chat. And now I'm going to say, now change this YouTube description to reflect Winter Haven, Florida instead of Dallas, Texas. Let's see if it works, guys. I guess I need to drop it here. No, let me go here. See if it'll do it. There we go. There it is. So in under 5 minutes, I showed you how to grab the tags. You have to get TubeBuddy. So just Google TubeBuddy. It's worth the $20 a month. It's worth the $245 a year. Guys, I'm telling you, it's time for you to get your YouTube channels up and going. There's no excuse. I just grabbed the tags. And guys, I'm picking a video that has an SEO score of 100. That's what you want to look for. Anything 80 to 100, top notch. So I just showed you how to take tags for a geo farm area that's not yours and change them. I showed you how to grab a title and change it to reflect your geo farm area for your YouTube channel. And then the YouTube description. I just showed you how to grab that description and change it from that geo farm to yours. Tell me if that is not amazing. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and the bell. And I'm going to take time over the next couple weeks to really dive deep into YouTube channel creation and direct mail. Those are two things you've got to do at a high level this year. Matter of fact, your YouTube channel is going to give you deals in spades 24/7 while you're asleep. Guys, I've closed several $1 million since I initiated my YouTube channel 6 months ago. I've got a deal that went under contract today. I've got three brand new listings, one from direct mail and two from YouTube channel in the last 4 days. My team is seeing some amazing results. So guys, this stuff's working, right? What did I pay for my YouTube channel? Not $1 in lead generation. It was all my time and learning how to do this stuff. So there you go. All right, guys, subscribe, hit the bell. And by the way, if you don't know my story, I've got videos on it. If you are in Florida, Texas, Tennessee, North Carolina, Virginia, or Colorado, and you would like to hear what LPT Realty is offering their agents, it's amazing. Drop me a comment below. I'll leave my contact information in the description. Drop me a comment. We'll set up a Zoom, and I'll share with you why this company, in my opinion, is absolutely going to dominate real estate for the next 5 to 7 years. Fastest growing real estate company ever. In its first year, added almost 5,000 agents, and we are growing. We're adding new states during the year, and there's just a lot of great benefits. So if you would like more information about LPT Realty, that started in Florida, and now we branched out. We're getting ready to open our 6th state. Get on my calendar. Let me share with you what they are doing for their agents and what it means to partner with me, the Real Estate Ninja, in terms of your marketing and the different strategies that you can, by osmosis, grab from me, the training that I do weekly for my RevShare partners. If you're interested in that, get on my calendar, and I'd love to share what that partnership would look like. All right, guys, that's it. I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next video.